In this video, I want to talk about how you can save on Temu shipping fees. Now keep in mind, on Temu, usually on a standard delivery, there will be free shipping. Now if you want to do a fast delivery, usually you can only qualify for free shipping if your order is $129 or more, so 129. And if you want to have some free shipping codes. Now keep in mind, these are quite rare and these don't really happen often, but you can get these usually from coupon codes. So many coupon codes include a free shipping inside of them, and you can get these by playing the games or when you sign up. Like when you're a new user, use the referral codes, you can get these coupon codes that way. Now these are the ways that you can do it. Now like I said, usually the normal standard shipping is free shipping, so just keep that in mind. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.